Here we have your Bode seam welder. As you can see, the controls have been changed. You now have digital display. You've got your limits requested for start and stop. Manual on this one, it's the smaller manual you asked about, and also will be sent as your standard manual on the floor over there. We've connected a Fronius TIG to it, just a DC TIG. You'll be able to connect your Jurassic straight to this machine using the torch connection, which on your Jurassic I'm not sure what it is, but you've only got 2 wires torch connections, so just have a look at the torch that you've got. Machine itself, you can see it's got your water cooled torch you wanted, edge setting devices. There's some stainless in there ready to just do a test weld, just to make sure it's all functioning as it should do. Manual torch movement up and down.